Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall!
Yes, me there again, my people. Once more, no? Big up respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, you see? Yeah, my people. So, yeah, good and bad in everything. Yeah, some people will be good, some people will be bad, whether police or civilian. And I have a video that I'm going to present to you that might prove that point. You see? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motorist who was driving a motor vehicle had been stopped or pulled over by police within the country of Jamaica. The motorist was not the only person who was inside of the motor vehicle. Now, based on the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me who you think was behaving good from who you think was behaving bad. Here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself, my people.
So we get stopped on the road traffic accident today. Officer Wilson, afternoon.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, chief.
Fancy warrant is my name.
Alright.
Stop the vehicle on the road traffic.
Yeah, man.
Stop on the road traffic. Yeah, man, do a spot check.
Spot, oh, do you mean I pull over?
What you say, man, do a spot check. Road traffic.
Driver's license.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Road traffic act. The road traffic act.
Yeah.
Any constable power. You stop any vehicle travelers from the public road. Yeah, man. And at the road traffic act, you make provision for police ask if your vehicle documents your driver's license for inspection.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But that we are doing, I take a document now.
Alright, I like how you're corporate. You know, I'm corporate. Good officer.
Make sure you be corporate now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go now.
Good. When police explain certain things to other people.
Yeah, go there. Hey, fam. Pull up.
Good officer, you know?
Yeah, man. So you're good?
Good.
You want
What you know?
You want man? You want now? You're asking now?
Yeah.
You pull over.
Yeah.
You have a document now? In Ghana, sorry, you also pull over. You have to check your vehicle, gun and drugs.
Okay.
And illegal possession of firearm, right?
Okay.
You check your vehicle.
Yeah.
With the drugs and the dangerous drugs act.
Yeah.
So you have a searching now, right?
You know, say I go to school. You're smart. You have a CXC them.
And it's good to comply and cooperate with instructions from police.
Yeah, I'm here say police I get work without CXC. Last time so
Driver alone step on the vehicle. Some have to come out. Passenger step on the vehicle. Eh? Passenger step on the vehicle. What you say?
Passenger come out. Passenger come out of the vehicle.
I say again, you want to declare? Yeah, you want to declare?
Hold on, bro. Hold on, please. Now, can I take up that piece of paper right here?
No, we go search.
I just sold my car for 400,000.
Why you save it? Your mind save it?
Yeah.
How I save it?
Yeah.
You have to search first, make it say.
I just sold my car for 400. I have a receipt here, so if they steal my money, the police.
You hear me say this?
Oh, yes?
Yeah, bro, they just stop with car, you know. Probably look at the gunman. What one, bro? You know,
yeah, identification and ID and the driver's license.
And then you want to see look at a gunman, yeah?
Alright, so go on. If you drop your hand, you think it's a assault, I can be arrested. No, put up a hand.
Oh, you have attitude, man. You have attitude. This one, you have attitude. So hold on.
Look at one, go for next one.
You have to drop your name.
What's that? Well, me guys never know say. Well,
They don't know style. They say man I think a gunman. You see that? You know say hard working man them attack.
it's cooperate. That's all. It's cooperate. You know? Police will be chaos.
And you want the police work, man? And you want the police work? Eh? We have a word with Sergeant Barrett, man, an inspector. 3, not 4, 331, 331,000. I could sell this, boss. I sell me under, me have everything. Eh? Who sell vehicle? Who sell vehicle and not give vehicle? Who will buy a vehicle? And come on, boss, you're smart, you know. You're a smart one. You're smart. You do by yourself? Oh. Okay. 28. Eh. I don't want to think so. Me a fool now. Yeah. Fully. Alright, good gun. Offensive weapon, contraband, then drugs, everything where. Eh? Agriculture. No, say weed, cocaine, agriculture. Dangerous job. Okay. Now looking at brother, I'm looking at. Yeah, my G. Yeah.
Yam, banana.
Open the shop.
Yo, you know what? This a man, this a man like one school. I know him from one school. What? General? I am supervisor for him, no?
No, sir, what have you done?
Man full of attitude, man.
What have you done?
I post me some young police and said me put on me hand like if me put on me and you charge me for assault. Brother, come on, brother. You think me no know law? You think me not have much high friend in a police? Eh? Come on, man. Study your book more, man. Alright. My car, Honda Civic PK3, then you see yourself buy the car, then have it like a couple months. Nice car, I'm not buy that car. Then I spray, I do like a minor stuff. I'm selling that cheap. Hold on. Oh, I sell dog, pitbull, Rottweiler, I sell clothes, I sell wig, I sell everything to woman. I work at airport as a drywall builder. You see me? Yeah, brother, my brother this. So you tell me say you own the money?
Yeah, because we are police.
Well, police want to take care for buy time. I tell him say
No, we are police and we are give you one certain information.
yeah.
When we work, immediate supervisor said they can carry report it. Right?
Yo, you know some race you deal with things.
Well, how you make man?
Some policeman, brother, some policeman want roll up man money. And say this and say that. You see you? He's a good youth. I know your man.
We use some money to sell vehicles.
This a man win it. This a man Constable Wilson.
Can person.
Yeah, easy, no, brother.
Yeah, man, dig a message.
Yo, we have some dog.
Really old. Brother, we have a whole heap of that ourselves. Whole heap of things.
We have some English bulldog in a change it out.
Wilson.
Where's that one?
Wilson.
All the free coat now we see him.
Mr. Wilson.
Anybody want to die when can cook us?
Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson. Yo, I hear me, I hear up man. A good youth too.
Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on. Yeah, brother. Not me touch your mercy about dog, you see me?
Yeah.
Jaja, yo.
I bet you never drive unknown car.
Unknown car. Turn the camera on the unknown car.
Unknown car, man. You see me? Unknown car. Man, them a drive unknown car, so they a search with gun and one bag of thing. You see me? Yeah.
What a rascal, them man.
Birthday. I wonder what go on. Hey. Papa, I'm deal with them. Yeah, boy, full attitude. That's what I this, you know.
I say, my people, so they drive certain types of motor vehicles. Yeah, certain types, you know what I mean? Like, for example, white Nissan or white Toyota Axio. Certain types of motor vehicles, white. It's like you will get stopped by police due to the fact that certain types of motor vehicles somehow are involved in certain types of criminal activities. You see what I say? I don't know, it's white alone, you know, grey, black, you name it. Yeah. So I just point out that, you know what I mean? You see, the thing is though, when it comes down to that situation, viewers and subscribers, it's like 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other for me. You know what I say? Yeah. You know, in my point of view, you know, it's like persons who was inside of the motor vehicle feel certain ways based on how, you know, at least one police handle the situation, but at the same time, certain things run smooth, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Yes, me comply. The point is, what I make though, viewers and subscribers, is that when I say 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other, both police and civilians for show a certain level of respect towards each other. You understand me? Yeah, civilians will comply with police when police are doing them work. You understand me? And police to show a certain level of respect to civilians. You understand me? Not because, you know, you are the police and so forth, you can say, yo, this and that and that and that and that and that, and make a civilian know, so boy, them do them work. And, you know, so and so. And if you not have a problem as a civilian for sure, say, look, me an innocent person, then everything should be okay, don't it? Yeah, because once you know, say, you're not a criminal and not do nothing wrong, then go ahead, you know, take a look. No gun in there, no this, no that in there, fine. You're going about your waist, don't it? Yes, so as I look on it, you know, respect for come from both sides. Overall, yes, I may say you're so right. But the part now where when the person hold up him two hands, the man is like, one of the police officers says certain things to him, you know. May I tell you the truth, you know, so that whenever police are search you and if you do certain things, you can get in trouble. But when me hear the police say it, I be thinking, it really have me thinking, my people. I like to tell me what you think about that part too. You see, there's not much more we can say about the whole situation, but based on the situation that I saw and heard in the video, I would like you to tell me who you think was behaving good from who you think was behaving bad. Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. Alright, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.